We will guide you through how to move pages in PDFgear. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop, then move your cursor over it to launch the program. Wait patiently for a few moments. Once the program is ready, direct your attention to the main menu screen and click the Open File button to begin selecting your document. A File Explorer window will immediately appear on your screen, allowing you to browse the files stored on your computer. Navigate through your folders carefully until you find the PDF document that contains the pages you want to rearrange. Click once on the correct PDF file to highlight it, then press the Open button to load the document into PDFgear. After the file opens successfully, look toward the ribbon menu located at the top of the window and find the tab labeled Page. Click the Page tab once with the left mouse button to display all of the available page management tools and options. Next, look directly beneath the ribbon where a grid layout displays thumbnail previews of every page in your PDF document. Examine the thumbnails until you identify the specific page that you want to move to a different position within the file. Place your cursor over that page thumbnail, then click and hold the left mouse button firmly without releasing it. While continuing to hold the mouse button, drag the page thumbnail across the screen until it reaches the new location where you want it to appear. Release the left mouse button to drop the page into its new position and reorder the document. Carefully inspect the thumbnail layout to confirm that the page order has changed exactly as you intended. You should now notice a visible difference in the document structure because the selected page has shifted into its new place. Finally, look at your keyboard and press Ctrl+S to save the document with the updated page order.